Welcome, curious minds, to today's exploration into a mind-bending fact. Earth, our home, is smoother than a billiard ball. Yes, you heard it right. Today, we uncover the science and geology that make our planet remarkably smoother than your favorite pool table. Firstly, let's talk about scale. Earth, with its vast continents and deep oceans, might seem rugged from our human perspective. However, when measured on a large scale, our planet is incredibly smooth. In fact, if you were to scale down Earth to the size of a billiard ball, the variations in height would be almost imperceptible. Picture this. If you could touch the Earth at the same scale as a billiard ball, you wouldn't feel mountains, valleys, or even the deepest ocean trenches. The Earth's surface might seem like a featureless sphere, smoother than any billiard ball you've ever played with. So, what makes Earth so smooth? The answer lies in the constant geological processes that shape our planet. Over millions of years, wind, water, and tectonic activity work together to wear down elevated areas and fill in lower ones, creating an overall smooth surface. Enter the concept of isostasi, the balance between the Earth's crust and the underlying mantle. Mountains may rise, but beneath the surface there is a compensating adjustment. This equilibrium helps maintain Earth's smoothness over geological timescales. Scientists have employed advanced measurement techniques such as satellite-based altimetry to precisely map Earth's topography. These measurements reveal that the difference between the highest point, Mount Everest, and the lowest point, Challenger deep in the Mariana Trench, is minuscule when compared to the overall size of our planet. So the next time you look at a billiard ball, remember that Earth, on a cosmic scale, is even smoother. Our planet's geology is a testament to the intricate processes that shape its surface, creating the diverse and dynamic world we call home. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the extraordinary smoothness of our planet. If you enjoyed this exploration, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more fascinating insights. Until next time, keep exploring and questioning the wonders of our incredible Earth. Don't forget to like and subscribe for your daily dose of facts.